Let's go, everyone. Today I'm bringing you a problem that I took from a public exam, which says the following. The sentence jumps. It's for Atlas. Just like 25.435 is best represented by the following number. Here are the options. If you can solve it on your own, pause the video, try to solve it, and then tell me in the comments what you thought. I'm going to show you the step-by-step solution now. Come with me. Did you manage to solve it yourself? I'm Professor Robson Liers, and I teach math to people preparing for competitive exams. I'll show you the solution now. Look, the sentence Salta is to Atlas as 25,435 is to which number? It's a logic question, right? Putting our logical reasoning to work, the best way for us to solve this kind of question is by organizing the sentences here. We know that the sentence is Salta, so I'll put it here. Look, Salta is to Atlas here. Look, the sentence Salta is to Atlas. Just like 25,435, look, 25,435 is to which number? Notice that each letter corresponds to a certain number. The letter S, see that the letter S corresponds to the number 2. So everywhere there's an S, I'm going to put the number 2. All right? So here, look, instead of S here, look, I'm going to put the number 2. Now the letter A corresponds to the number 5. See that this letter A here, look, is also 5. So everywhere there's an A, I put a 5. I'm going to take here, instead of this A, here, I put a 5 in the direction of the first A here. I'm going to represent it with the number 5. The next letter here is the letter L. The letter L represents the number 4. Okay, so wherever there's an L here, I'm going to put the number 4. Now, the last letter, the letter T, is being represented by the number 3. So, wherever there's the letter T, I put the number 3. In other words, the sentence jumps. It is to Atlas, just as 25,435 is to 53,452. And the only correct option here then is letter 452. It's letter A. Whoever chose letter A here, that's the answer. There are other ways for us to solve this kind of problem. If you solved it differently than I did, let me know in the comments. Well, we've reached the end of another explanation. If you liked it, leave a like on the video to support Professor Robson's channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to subscribe. Don't forget to share on social media with your friends. Thanks, a big hug from Professor Robson, and I hope to see you in the next class.